In this video, I'll be showing you how you turn off notifications from the Zoom app. Simple and easy. So to do that, you hop on Zoom like this, you tap on your profile, you see the arrow there. Good. Now let's move to our settings here. Good. And on here, you can see notifications and sound. Just open that. And now you can change everything of your choice, your calls, your ringtone and all that. You can change everything. So manage notification settings. Good. So you can turn it off like that. So when you do that, it means you're not going to get anything from Zoom. Yeah. So if you want to be alerted with meetings and the rest, you don't need to do that. Let's come back. Let's turn it on. And now let's try to edit this type of stuff. You get it? Yeah. So when it comes to messages, you want direct messages alone. You don't want all messages, something like that. You can turn it off with this and disable meeting notifications when you're in meeting. Just turn that off. Promotions and the rest, if it's on, just turn all of them off. Yeah. And that's it. Who should notify me? Blah, blah, blah. Just select any of your choice and you're good to go. So that's it on how you turn off or adjust your notifications from the Zoom app. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.